Hi friends, how are you? Hope you will be fine and healthy. Today I'm standing in a way. This is the place where suddenly anybody can come and I may be disturbed. So I'm making this video in hesitation because when someone enters in the video, because they have to pass through from this way, so I have to disconnect that video and I have to re-record that video because there might be some ladies and the ladies don't want to come in camera, so I have to stay with I have to make with everything with great caution precautions. You can say that I have to adopt precautionary measures to make this video, and I'm in hesitation due to this reason. So I thought that here at this place I would make a video in English language, but topic was not in my mind. Then I thought that this is the topic. Actually, I'm standing at a place where the open way people have to go from this place. So I thought that this will be my topic for today video. So if you want to improve yourself in English language, you want to speak English on daily basis and you are not finding any kind of topic, then around you there are so many topics you can discuss on those topics. You have to use your mind, but for thinking beautiful topics, lot of topic intelligence is also necessary, but you will have to work on your mind. When you will develop this habit of searching different kind of topics to discuss on them, then automatically your mind will work and you will find very easily some kind of topics to discuss in English language. Because around me there is a sunlight and here is shadow of these trees, walnut tree in my background. You can see walnut tree, and here the picture qualities we have to see the quality of picture also, because when you are looking us on screen and the background, the picture quality is not good, then I think that you will not feel good. So we have to think about this also. And here is the shadow. Because of this reason I have to make this video at this place. Otherwise, before this I never made any video at this place. And this is morning time, and sunlight is also, sun has risen, and if I'm looking around myself I can see the sunlight, but here the trees shadows, and I'm feeling very fresh in this shadow and I'm making this video. So this was the topic of video, and you can search a topic in the same way. If you want to improve yourself in English language, if you want to speak English, speak on daily basis, discuss on different topics, whatever things laying around you, you can make a video on those. You can discuss for 2 or 3 minutes on that object. In this way I think that you will improve yourself very soon and you will develop the habit of speaking English language. Hope you find this video useful, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.